ever felt like you can take a rocket ship right off this earth into the galaxy and visit another planet? Well, let's go. Back up and come join me and get into the zero gravity galaxy soap. Hello and good day. I am Natasha and we're getting straight into this video. I am making a zero gravity galaxy soap, and let me tell you guys, I have been through some ups and downs with making this soap, and I hope you're willing to take the journey with me because I'm going to tell you where I went right and wrong. Look how beautiful this zero gravity mica looks in this soap. I want you guys to take note of how beautiful it looks now, because when we get towards the end of this video, there's some things that you're going to have to correlate with this view. But this looks so beautiful, you guys. I feel like running into orbit. This soap looks beautiful. So let me just give you a little background. This month has been a crazy month, and I just wanted to make a soap that made me feel better. I wasn't in one of those, jolly moods, and I just wanted to make a soap that made me feel mellow, but, just something that made me feel like I can just drift off and just drift off to another world. And this soap kind of helped to make me feel that way. An exact plan for how I was going to do the tops, and in this video, guys, I have 3 soap cuts. Yes, three soap cuts that I want you guys to stick around to see. But I really was enjoying the flow of how I was making this soap top, so I decided to do this soap top for all 3 soaps, and you're going to see how different all 3 of them look. With soap loaf number 2, and guys, the black in this soap is actually activated charcoal. I did not use the zero gravity mica, and you're going to see towards the end of the video why I didn't use it. In this video, I also decided to add a little purple to see if it add more interest to the soap. Although the design inside wasn't pre-planned, what I did know is that I wanted to include the activated charcoal in my soap. Black is one of those colors in soap that I have to admit that I wasn't really good at managing. It's definitely a color that I've learned accentuates other colors. If you can look at how much it allows for the other colors to stand out. Black is so beautiful. I mean, I rediscovered why black is beautiful. It's just not this off color that is in soap that people are scared of. It's actually accentuates the soap. But also, activated charcoal helps to clean out your pores. And look how different this soap top looks in comparison to the first one I did. Y'all can't tell me this isn't exciting. That black, the fact that is the majority of the soap is black, and then you have these punches of color in it, and it kind of gives me like this orbit galaxy feel. Oh my goodness. Guys, look at the tops. Look at the tops of these soap. This soap loaf number 2, who is ready for the soap cut? Oh my goodness, guys, hold on to your Haley's Comet. Oh my goodness, this comes very close to that galaxy orbit, zero gravity feel. But guys, I have to admit that I'm a little disappointed because there are bubbles in my soap. So those little things that look like skin, like they look like little pimples, those are actually soap bubbles that develop when the batter splatters or whatever when you're making it. And sometimes you can prevent that by pouring your batter on like a spatula or something like that, but we can cut those out easily by scraping it with a soap scraper. But look how beautiful it looks. It's just so much interest. I love how the bottom is dark and it's not like all colors, and then towards you get the top, it's light. It's kind of like my mood. It's like, oh yeah, it's a wonderful day in the neighborhood, and then something makes me feel better. I'm like, okay, it's a little color to my day. And look at these soap tops, guys. Oh my, come on. Look at this. You gonna tell me that don't look nice? What? Oh my goodness. I know some of you guys might be wondering, Tara, what happened to your finger? Like you're trying to do a whole video with a bum finger. Oh my goodness, trust me, whatever your mind is thinking is far better and more interesting than me telling you the story about my finger. But you see how dedicated Natasha is to making her videos, because I didn't take time off. I kept going. Even though I was in a funky mood this month. But yeah, you guys, it's all right. I kind of sprained my finger, but it's all good. The other thing that I'm not crazy about with this soap, but it's still a beautiful soap, is that the color is a bit thick. I wanted it to be more thinned out. This looks thick, so you can tell like the colors are more blotty. I wanted it to be more transparent, but it's okay. The batter set up a bit quick on me, but the soap still came out beautiful. Do you guys recognize this soap, Loaf? Just do you recognize it? Yes, this is soap Loaf number 1 from the beginning of the video. Somebody please tell me what's going on. Call the fire department, call somebody and tell me why I have a soap that looks like a snail soap. This soap is gray. The Mica morphed on me and I don't know why, and I have to figure out if it's my formula, if that's what the color does. I know, you guys, I did 2 soaps and it came out gray like this. So I don't know if it's my formula or if that's what the Mica does, but I'm not happy. Look at this. Look at that. No. It's a no for me. No. And I have the nerve to show both sides, each side, like I'm modeling. Like, no. I'm so annoyed right now. Yes, I do feel bamboozled. I feel hoodwinked. Like I was lied to. Like I was getting one thing and this is what I got. I mean, this is what happens when you think you cute and you make a whole batch of soap without testing your stuff. You cannot be making big batches of soap, Natasha, and not test your stuff. All right, soap 101, test mica, test fragrance, test formula. I get it. And again, the texture was kind of funky too. I was just so through. Oh my goodness. That's all I have to say about this soap top. Look how that looks. That looks so beautiful. I can't even begin to explain. This is the top that I was aiming for with the other soap loaves that I did. I was trying to get this whole black top, but the reveal of the color, like a glimpse of color underneath, and I achieved that with this soap. I'm excited. Let's go. Let's cut this soap. Let's see what we gonna get, guys. Are you ready for for the soap cut of Soap Loaf number 3. Oh my goodness, I don't even want to cut it. The tops look so nice. All right, now hold on to your rocket ship. Say this looks so much closer to what I was aiming for. It's giving me zero gravity, it's giving me outer space, it's giving me fluidity, it's giving me basically everything that I was looking for. It is still a bit thick, but I love it. You guys, it looks even better when I bevel it. When I tell you, there is something I love about creativity. I would not imagine that I can get this pop of color from a soap that has a base of black. This is absolutely gorgeous, and the scent is a masculine scent. The tops look magical. Oh my goodness, that two-tone green blue. Oh my goodness, guys, I love this soap. Making this soap made me feel a lot better, trust me. Now, if you had to compare Soap Loaf number 3, which is this one, to Soap Loaf number 2, you see that the soap bubble indentations that are in the soap are smaller. It's not as significant as the last batch. I did try my best to pour the batter on the spatula so there's not a lot of splash. I tried to make sure there's no air bubbles when I blend it, because with the color black you see those bubbles. Again, if you have a soap shaver, you can shave the front and back of your soap and it will minimize, if not eliminate, that textured dried bubble look. I don't know how to describe it, guys, but you know exactly what I'm talking about. So be honest, you guys, which soap loaf did you like? Did you like number 2? Did you like number 3? Did you like number 1? Let me know in the comments below which one did you like. If you say number 1, I don't know what to tell you. I mean, either you didn't watch the video full out, or, you know, you just have a special eye. You know, I ain't gonna knock you if you like the first loaf, but I guess it was unexpected because I'm expecting black. I'm not expecting gray. Now we're gonna get into the beveling. This is one of my favorite parts about finishing soap. And look at that, it just gives it like a nice, beautiful finish. Oh my goodness, this soap came out beautiful. Like I said, I wasn't feeling the greatest this month. I was really feeling out of it. Nothing could get me out of the funk. I mean, I guess I could tell you some of the things, but it doesn't matter. I mean, I was just feeling out of it, but this helped. Making this soap helped, and I'm glad I was able to film it so you guys can see it. I'm just adding the other soap with the purple to bevel, and that one came out just as awesome. Guys, tell me what you think about black soap, like using black in soap. Do you like it? Would you try it? I have done soap videos before where I tested the soap. I did a lather test and the lather actually came out whitish. Honestly, tell me what you think. Were you intimidated by the color and then you see that it works? I think the soap came out wonderful. It's beautiful. But guys, guess what? I have made several videos using activated charcoal in the soap. Please check out this video here if you're interested in seeing another soap that I've done using activated charcoal. I always appreciate you guys' time and viewing my videos. Protect your beautiful energy. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.